Heat some oil in a pan and add a few cloves of chopped garlic. Let the garlic cook for about 30 seconds, just until it turns golden and smells amazing. Then add some chopped carrots and a handful of peas. Give it a good stir. Let it cook for about 3 minutes so the veggies get soft and start to caramelize a little. Push the veggies to the side, leaving some space in the center, and crack in 2 eggs. Season both, the eggs and the veggies, with a pinch of salt. Scramble the eggs in the center over high heat, breaking them apart as they cook, but don't mix them with the veggies just yet. When the eggs are cooked through, go ahead and mix everything together. Now add the cooked rice. It's even better if it's from the day before. Let me show you how to cook rice from scratch. In a pot, add 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil and add a pinch of salt. Add 1 cup of rice. As you can see, it's about a 2-to-1 ratio, 2 cups of water for every cup of rice. Give the rice a light stir at the beginning, then let it cook over medium-low heat for about 16 to 18 minutes, and don't stir it again. For fried rice, it's best to use long-grain rice, something like jasmine or basmati. It stays fluffy and doesn't stick together. After about 16 to 18 minutes, once the rice is cooked, turn off the heat, cover it, and let it sit for 5 minutes. If you're using the rice right away, spread it out and fluff it up with a fork, but for fried rice, cold rice from the fridge works best. Now we're back to the pan. Add 2 or 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Keep the heat high and toss everything together. Once everything's mixed, add the green onions. Now just mix everything together. And that's it! Easy, quick, and better than takeout. If you liked this recipe, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy meals like this.